Learning bar chords while you're still a beginner is really difficult, right? There are a few techniques that you can use while learning it if you really need to play a bar chord. So take your E-shaped bar chord and let's use it on the 5th fret. That'll give you an A major chord, okay? So instead of playing all the strings and really trying hard to make that bar chord, you might have success playing it and making it sound right to make the strings resonate right, but in the process you're already hurting your fingers, and in just under 5 minutes or even just under a minute you're done. You gave up, okay? But here's a few things that you can do while you're learning the bar chord, okay? E-shaped bar chord. So instead of trying to play all the strings, like I said earlier, what you can do is just focus on the first 2 strings on top, the 6th string and the 5th string. Don't apply any pressure on the other strings, just the 6th and the 5th string. So what are those fingers? It's the 1st and 3rd finger. So apply pressure to those 2 fingers only. Like that, okay? Next, once you get used to that, add your pinky to the mix, okay? So 3 strings now, 3 fingers, 1st, 3rd, and pinky. There, like that. Now make sure that you don't hit the other strings, or you can mute it with your 1st finger, like the way you always do when you're a beginner. It doesn't play anyway, so do that, okay? And then just add pressure to the 1st, 3rd, and 4th finger. Next is, once you get used to that, you add now your middle finger and your 2nd finger. At this point, you can strum all the strings because the 1st and 2nd string will be muted by your 1st finger anyway, so you can relax with your strumming hand. If you're curious about the rhythm, it's down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. The down, up is just a chuck. You're muting all the strings, so that means you release the pressure for all your fingers and just touch the strings, mute it with your plucking, with your strumming, with your fretting hand, and you're gonna get that chuck. Okay? Then so you do it again, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. Now, it will take time to add that 2nd and 1st finger. But anyway, the whole process will really take a little while, okay? Before you reach to that 3rd string. Now, if you've been practicing for a while now, adding that 2nd and 1st finger will be easier now. So how exactly do I do that? Now, there is also another technique using your 1st finger here. You use the side of your finger, not the palm side of your finger, just some of the side of your 1st finger to fret the strings, and try to put it very close to the fret, to the metal fret here. Very, very close, almost on top of it, okay, but not. It's just really close. And then tilt it aside a little bit, and there. Also, use your thumb to add leverage. Okay, you're like pinching the neck like this. So if you can imagine, if this is my arm is the neck, you're pinching both sides. Okay, pinching both sides. So same thing here, pinching both sides. Now let's try it if you can. Maybe you just pause the video and returned after a few days. So let's try it. Down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down. There you go. So keep on practicing every day, even just under a minute. I always say practice under a minute, but just do it every day, okay? Once within that minute, if you feel your fingers are hurting, you can stop and massage it a little bit, recover, shake your hands a little bit, then get back to it. You'll feel better practicing if you do it in short bursts all throughout the day. So it's like you do it for a minute, and then in the morning you do it for a minute, and then maybe in the afternoon you practice again for a minute. In the evening, you can do it again under a minute. So it's just like food. You eat breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So it's the same thing. So try that all throughout the day, okay? But don't overdo it because you're gonna hurt your fingers. So I suggest doing it just really under a minute. So good luck on that, and I'll see you on the next lesson.